Say hi, Brayden. Brayden.
Hi! Brayden. Hey.
Brayden.
Brayden. Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're eating soap. Oh no, you're cleaning it off first. Good boy.
Brayden. Papito.
Don't worry, Brayden. I don't listen when mommy calls me either. Hey, buddy.